Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your Xbox controller and play Call of Duty Black Ops Blackout beta mode on the PC. So it's Saturday the 15th of September. The open beta download is available for free on all PCs, and I thought, hey, you can play Fortnite using an Xbox controller. Let's play Black Ops using an Xbox controller on your PC. So all you need is Windows 10, a micro USB cable plugged into the PC, and the other end plugged into the top part of the controller like so. The light will flash on, your PC will recognize the controller and then just jump straight into the game, which I'll do now. We'll just wait for the game to load. Please be aware this is not the fastest PC, so if there's some serious lag, it's down to my PC. In fact, I've only got an i5 and a really low-end graphics card. But here goes. Right, I'm using the mouse at the moment just to get into the main lobby. I'm going to go straight to settings. Going to go to the top right hand corner of the screen to gamepad, make sure it's enabled, then I'm going to go back, and then I'm just going to press any button on the controller. I'll just press A, wherever A is. As you can see, the Xbox controller enabled on the PC. I'll jump straight into the game. Right, we're in the lobby. The graphics are not particularly brilliant, but there you go. I'm using the controller. Everything's working. So guys, that's how you use the Xbox One controller on your PC to play Blackout beta mode. Remember, make sure you've got the latest copy of Windows 10. Make sure your drivers are up to date, and you should have no problem connecting it and playing Call of Duty Black Ops on your PC. So, any comments, drop them in the comment box below. Remember to leave the video a like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.